Ladies and gentlemen, I am thrilled to present a remarkable investment opportunity in the rapidly growing city of Patterson. We have a prime 1.9-acre parcel of land located at 2151 Sperry Avenue in the heart of the West Patterson Business Park, adjacent to the high-traffic pilot Flying J and the soon-to-open Popeye's Chicken. This property, zoned for Industrial Business Park (IBP), offers a wide array of potential uses, from manufacturing and warehousing to logistics and distribution centers. Patterson is known as the land of job creation, with a city government dedicated to fostering a business-friendly environment. Its strategic location, with easy access to Interstate 5, positions Patterson as a key player in the regional logistics and distribution network, providing seamless connectivity to major markets. One of the standout features of this property is its inclusion in a development agreement with some of the lowest negotiated development fees in the region. This translates to substantial savings for businesses, making it an attractive and financially prudent investment. The West Patterson Business Park is already a magnet for industry, and this property is poised to become a cornerstone of future growth. Patterson's vision for the future includes a significant 1,200-acre annexation to the northwest, featuring both residential areas and additional industrial space. This expansion underscores Patterson's commitment to creating a balanced, sustainable community that supports both living and working environments. By investing now, you position yourself at the forefront of this growth, ready to benefit as Patterson continues to expand and thrive. Beyond its strategic advantages, Patterson offers a high quality of life, which is essential for attracting and retaining a skilled workforce. The city combines a charming small-town feel with big city amenities, including excellent schools, healthcare facilities, a vibrant cultural scene, and ample outdoor recreational opportunities. Patterson's development plans and policies demonstrate a commitment to sustainability and innovation, ensuring that infrastructure and community services keep pace with growth. This 1.9-acre property at 2151 Sperry Avenue in the West Patterson Business Park represents a unique opportunity to invest in a community poised for exponential growth. With its strategic location, flexible zoning, low development fees, and the city's dynamic vision for the future, this property is a gateway to success. I invite you to explore this opportunity further and consider how your business can benefit from being part of Patterson's exciting journey. Thank you for your consideration.